both of them are going to get embarrassed if I start talking too much about it, but it's two lovely people getting together for a lovely cause, and I think that's merits a much bigger round of applause. I don't think any producer does it for a launch of a film, and I don't think any of this has anything to do with any commercial aspect. It's something that he called me and said, my mother and I want to do this, we want to do it. Now you can get to see him on stage. Please give a big round of applause to Abhijit. He deserves it more than one of us. Janki. Shreya, can we also have you on stage? You'll need to come. That is Janki. So Janki is the director of the film. The person, because we started saying yes for the film because we saw the film, like someone asked earlier. We saw the film and we found it fantastic. I know you'll like it. I'm not even, as I said, I'm not going to ask you to go and see the film. You'll want to. Please give it up for Janki. Fantastic director. Very, very proud to be associated with her. And as I said, people first, work later, and we're all together because we love the people around us. So. A little ahead, Shreya is the reason we could actually do this at Blue Frog today. Please give it up for Shreya. Minty is going to join us on stage. Mrinalini's company, Infinite Expressions, is why you are all here and why we are here. So give it up for Mrinalini, please. Come. Aha! Panchis up, please. Thank you.
That needs to be said, and in the prior press interaction, I think most of it has been covered. I just want to say one thing, that I am incredibly touched that all these children are here. I am incredibly touched because this is an incredibly special occasion for me, and not that any of you are not special, but these are very, very, very special guests, and I'm honored that these children are special guests, and they, in their presence, this album is being released. I'm deeply honored. Thank you so much, Bacho. Thank you so much.
The mic's gone. No, it's not gone. Minty, please. Okay. So, can we have the CD in front? Come. Everyone has to touch it some way or the other. I don't know how. But the CD is going to be launched by, where's Vinod? Vinod, Abhijit. All these guys. चलो अभी कोने से हम सब हाथ लगाते हैं. One by one हाथ लगाते हैं सब कोने से. Correct. Correct. Janki, one of us will have to open that. Sir. Correct. Coco. अच्छा ठीक है कंधे पे. अच्छा अभी इसको खोलना है ऐसे. Correct. ओए. सीढ़ी ले आओ. अब कोई बात नहीं. So डाल दो ऊपर. ये बड़ा सीढ़ी है, अभी छोटा सीढ़ी आपके पास पहुंच जाएगा. So give it up for everyone from Dharavi, for all of you guys. And I don't know how we're going to do this. अच्छा एक 3 के काउंट पे हम सबको झुकना है. Bow, okay? Okay? That I don't know how. आप लोग मत झुकना, गिर जाओगे. गिर मत जाना, मतलब लेकिन झुकना, हाँ ठीक है. एक 3 पे. And 1, 2, and 3. Thank you very much for coming to the launch, and thank you all of you guys. We're now going to have a show as well. We're going to continue playing for about 2 hours. So if at the bar's on, and have fun.
Thank you, Mohan. Thank you, Agni. Thank you, Indian Ocean. Wonderful job. Right.
Thank you.
Well, it's extremely exciting because I mean, this is my first film in Hindi, and the film has really shaped up very well, and we're all really looking forward to the release. And before that, this is the first public event of the film, and we're very excited. And there's a concert. Agni is performing along with Indian Ocean, and this is the first time that the two of them are coming together to perform in Bombay. So it's a special occasion for all of us, and we're very excited.
This is your debut film in Hindi as well, but you have already made a film on the national award as well.
That's right.
Do you want to disclose about the movie? What kind of movie?
This movie is basically a socio-political satire. It basically reflects on the trends that happen in rural India.
No, I'm talking about the movie you made earlier.
Oh, earlier. Okay, fine. Okay. So that was my first film was called Kuti. It was a film in Tamil. And it's about a little girl and her journey to the city and what happens to her there. So Kuti in Tamil means little one. So that's how the film is called Kuti, and yeah, I won the national award. Yehe Bakapur is based on a real life story. It's about a real life, it's inspired from a real life story about a goat called Kushi. It's a goat from Rajasthan that traveled to Delhi. And, he was put up in Juma Masjid. And people queued up outside Juma Masjid because they wanted to see the goat. So I read about this goat in a newspaper report. And I thought it was a very interesting story. And that was the inspiration.
It's not a usual kind of film.
No, it's not.
So how was the topic accept this kind of unusual topic as such?
Because I think today the audiences are very open to different kinds of cinema, and as far as this particular film is concerned, even though the theme is somewhat unusual, the fact is that it's a very audience-friendly film. There is a love story, there is a family, so it's like, there are a lot of elements that an audience will definitely connect with, and most importantly, it's a comedy. And today an audience wants to come to the theatre, spend that 100 minutes or 2 hours enjoying themselves and being entertained, and I think the film is very entertaining. So I'm very confident about the box office success of the film. Thank you.